Samaritan. A person walks along a road across the front of the room towards a group of robbers. A man was going down from Jerusalem to Jericho and fell into the hands of robbers.
Give us all your money.
The robbers stole everything he had, beat him, and went away, leaving him half dead. Now, by chance, a priest was going down that road, and when he saw him, he passed by on the other side. Likewise, a Levite, when he came to the place and saw him, passed by on the other side. But a Samaritan, while traveling, came near him, and when he saw him, he was moved with pity.
Are you all right?
He went to him and bandaged his wounds, having poured oil and wine on them. Then he put him on his own animal. The Samaritan took him to an inn to take care of him. The Samaritan takes the victim to the innkeeper, who waits at the desk or table in another part of the room. The innkeeper lets them in, and the Samaritan lays the victim down gently. The innkeeper sits at the desk speaking with the Samaritan. The next day, the Samaritan took 2 coins and gave them to the innkeeper.
There, that should do it. Take care of him, and when I come back, I will repay you whatever more you spend.
I certainly will.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, which of these 3 do you think was a neighbor to the man who fell into the hands of robbers? Now, let us proceed to the characters, yung mga nagsipagganap po. Ang gumanap sa mga robbers ay sina
Matt po.
Si Paul po.
Sean po.
Ang nagsipagganap naman po, ang gumanap po bilang victim ay si
King po.
King. And yung gumanap po bilang priest,
Rosalyn po.
ang gumanap po bilang Levite,
May po.
yung gumanap po bilang Samaritan,
Si Jan po.
and yung gumanap po bilang innkeeper.
Kaina po.
And maraming salamat po sa mga nanood at nakinig po sa amin.